Food waste is a global issue faced by most countries. A significant portion of this waste is due to leftovers that cannot be used in other meals. However, there are many dishes from around the world that creatively utilize these scraps to prepare delicious meals. In this article, we will take a look at 5 distinctive dishes that make effective use of leftovers. 1. Frittata, Italy. The frittata is one of Italy's famous dishes that efficiently incorporates leftover vegetables and meats. You can combine any vegetable scraps such as potatoes, peppers, and mushrooms, mix them with eggs and cheese to prepare a tasty and easy meal. 2. Bubble and Squeak, United Kingdom. This traditional British dish uses leftover mashed potatoes and vegetables. You can pan-fry these scraps until they become deliciously crispy, then serve them as a breakfast or side dish for main meals. 3. Kimchi fried rice, South Korea. Koreans use leftover rice and kimchi to prepare a delicious fried rice dish. The rice is sautéed with kimchi and other scraps like meat or vegetables to achieve a unique flavor. 4. Gumbo, United States. Gumbo is a southern meal that makes use of leftover meat and vegetables. You can use leftover chicken or beef along with vegetables and rice to prepare a rich and flavorful meal. 5. Vegetable stock. Using vegetable scraps to prepare vegetable stock is a great way to reduce waste. You can collect carrot, onion, celery, tomato, potato, and other vegetable scraps, and simmer them in water with spices and seasonings to create a stock to be used in various recipes. These dishes illustrate how the creative global kitchen can make the most of scraps and transform them into delicious meals. By adopting these ideas, individuals can reduce food waste while serving up tasty meals at the same time. If you found these creative ways to reduce food waste and turn scraps into delicious meals inspiring, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more culinary adventures from around the world. We'd love to hear your thoughts and any of your own tips in the comments section below. Together, let's make a positive impact and savor the flavors of sustainability.